Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see which are the original document that has to be arranged for uploading for the document verification for CET 2020. My name is Ashwini and today I am going to give few information about CET. So the CET board already have scheduled the date on which date the student has to upload their documents. So the schedule details, I have already done one video. You can check that video. One is your schedule date. So schedule date is depending upon the ranking. From first ranking till 2000 ranking, they have given one date. From 2001 to 7000, they have given one more date. Within that date, you need to upload these different original document soft copy. So those things I have talked detail in one of the video. The video link is given in the description box. If you want it, please check it out. And the document link is given in the description box. You can download it and see when is your date of submission for your original document. So they have mentioned few documents that has to be kept ready for the uploading. So let us see that. So first, details about the documents we are going to see. The first one is final printout of CET 2020 online application form. So this online application form is nothing but the final printout. When you apply for the CET entrance examination, they have given one documents. That document you need to scan and keep it ready for uploading. That is the first document. Final printout of the CET 2020 online application form. The second one is CET 2020 admission ticket. This admission ticket is nothing but your hall ticket. So you need to scan this and keep it ready. So all these documents that has to be scanned by your original documents. So how to scan the copy? Even that I have done one video. You can check that video. I'll give in the description box. You can use Cam Scanner, and that Cam Scanner I have already uploaded one video how to use it. So that is the best application you can use to scan all your original documents and keep it ready. You need to keep it ready, all your soft copies, to upload it. So the next one is SSLC, that is your 10th marks card. So 10th marks card you need to scan and keep it ready. And whenever you scan a document, label the document. So when you scan it, label it as SSLC marks card. When you scan the CET hall ticket, mention it CET hall ticket. So each and everything you need to keep it inside the folder, and once when it asks, you don't have to search each and every time which document is this. Once when you label it, you will come to know which are the documents that is required and you know which document it is for uploading. The next one is second PUC marks card. Those students, those who have not got a second PUC marks card, you need to take the marks card from the college. So that is your provisional marks card, and that has to be signed by your principal. No internet copies are being allowed. The next one is 7 years study certificate. So that has to be signed by BEO or DDPI. So this 7-year certificate is for confirming that you are staying in Karnataka from past 7 years. So that is why they are asking you for the study certificate. So let us see. So here you can see second PUC marks card, and with reading they have told internet downloaded marks card printout will not be accepted. So please go to your college, take your provisional marks card that is signed by your principal. So here they have mentioned it has to be signed by the principal. The next one is 7-year certificate, study certificate, that has to be signed by BEO office or DDPI office. So that officer has to sign the study certificate. So let us see the study certificate format. So this is your study certificate format, and this study certificate format you get it in the bookshops. So you can go buy this format. You need to fill all the documents and you need to sign by your school, college. From past 7 years, wherever you have studied, you can go to that particular institution, get it signed and sealed, keep ready. Next, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel for the more details, and also please don't forget to hit a like. So the next one is income certificate. So income certificate, you have many conditions over there, you need to go through it. And here you have seen this particular, whatever the picture I have inserted, that is a document downloaded from CET website. That document link is given in the description box, you can check it out. In detail they have given income certificate, for which income certificate, for which type of documents you have to take, you have to sign, from where you have to sign, each and everything they have mentioned there. You can go through that, because we have general income certificate, you have SC/STs, so each and every SC/ST categories and all, they have different income certificates, so you need to go through that. The next one is Kannada medium certificate. Those who this is an exception, those who have studied in the Kannada medium, they have to submit this Kannada medium certificate. Those who have studied in the English medium certificate, those who have studied in English medium, they don't have to worry about this 7th one. So the next one is 8th one. Even the next, whatever the 8th one is there, rural study certificate, you don't have to worry. Only those students who are studying in rural areas, only those student has to submit this particular form, and this particular form will be signed by the principal of the particular rural area school or college. They'll sign and they'll give you. Other students don't have to worry about this 7th and 8th. The 9th one is your caste certificate, as well as caste income certificate. So this caste certificate is nothing but, some they come in 3A, 3B, SC, ST, all these are caste certificates. So you need to do this caste certificate. The next one is Article 371, Hyderabadi Karnataka religion. So this comes under only the Hyderabad Karnataka students. Those are from Hyderabad Karnataka, only those student has to submit this particular form. So you can see the 7th one, 8th one is, as well as 10th one is exception. Not all the students should have these certificates. So depending upon the students, you can arrange these certificates. So if you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.